Welcome back, Econ students. This video is to walk you through using your blog to write up assignments and post those so that your teachers can see them. You first are going to need to check your email and make sure you accept the invitation that your teammate sent you to access the blog. And you may have to look in your spam folder. Whenever I invited Mr. Martinez and Mr. Hudson, it went into their spam folder. So I am guessing that's what you're going to have to do as well. When you get in, you're going to see a page that looks like this. You may have to choose a limited blogger profile first, which is a slightly different looking page. But then you're going to come to this page, and this is the page that you will come to each time you log into Blogger. Here, if you have more than one blog, you'll see any other blog names under this little drop-down menu, so make sure you're on your one for your econ class. And whenever you want to do a new post, you're just going to click New Post, and you will then be able to create a post and type in it, basically just like you would type into a word processor. The first thing you'll want to do is give it a title. You're going to give it a title each week based on the week number or blog number assignment it is. So maybe it's blog 5. And then you can come up with a creative title that lends itself to whatever the topic is. So maybe it's the economics of saving rhinos. Then you'll come down here and you will answer the questions from the blog for the week. So you can write in here just like you would again in Microsoft Word or in Google Docs. Whenever you are finished, you'll want to click Publish. But let's say you're not quite finished and you need to come back and finish it later. If you click Save, what that's going to do is it's going to save what you've done, and you can close it. And then back on this list, you can see where I created this blog and it says Draft. Now, as long as it says Draft, I cannot see your post. So whenever you are ready, whenever you go back in and you finish it, you'll want to make sure you hit Publish. And once you hit Publish, then everybody in the world can see what you wrote, including your teachers. And so you can click on View and it will show you what that looks like. Now, a few more things you may run into that you may need to know. First, again, where you're over here, it says permalink. If you copy that, you can send the link to your teacher. Now, you'll only need to do that if it is late. If it's on time, we're going to find it when we do our weekly check-ins. But if it's late, you'll need to send that link. You can also send the link by viewing the blog and saying copy and paste it into the email. So you'll want to send us an actual email with the link to your blog so we can find it and we make sure we find exactly what we need. Something else that will be good for you to know is that your person who set up your blog for the team should have set it up so that you'll get a notification wherever there are comments. But whenever there are comments, you can look right here and you can see whatever comments I have given you on whoever's blog I graded that week. So that's a good way for you to monitor how well you're doing and what comments and feedback I gave you. The last thing you may want to know is if you come down under Settings and look at Email. If you have technology issues and you need to post blogs from your phone or from an email because you can't get to Blogger, you can set up a secret word here, and you can actually type up an email and send the blog in via email. Now, it will not tell me which of you is sending it in, so you'll need to make sure in that case that you say, hey, this was my blog. but if that's something you think you'll need help with, that is an option that you can set up if you need to. Now, if you do need to make revisions on a blog, if you come back to this first page where it says posts, you can go in and you can edit a blog. Again, if you do that, you're going to need to send an email to your teacher with the link to the blog to let us know that you've done that and that it's ready for us to grade again. So hopefully this will help you with anything you may run into. If you do have questions, please make sure you come and see us and we'll help you figure it out.